Okay, 6. Determine the end behavior for each of these polynomials. Well, there's two ways to go at this. One is to dig out your notes on end behavior. And the two things you need to focus are on the degree, which is based on the highest exponent, in this case 5. And then look at the leading coefficient, see if it's positive or negative. So I would go back and look at those notes to help you figure out end behavior. Another way is you could graph that equation in Desmos. Now, sometimes when you graph something in Desmos, it doesn't quite look like, it's hard to tell like what's really going on. So a way to get around that is if you click this little wrench, go ahead and make these x values a little bit closer together. The window for the x, make it like, oh, I don't know, -4 to say 4. And then make your y values a little farther apart. Let's make it like not negative 50, that won't work. -50 to say +50. Sort of guessing there. And now I can see a little better, like, oh, it's rising to the right and falling to the left. I can see it a little bit better.